Did you know that black holes are so dense that a single teaspoon of black hole matter would weigh more than all the cars on Earth combined? Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions, where we delve into the mesmerizing world of black holes, those mysterious and captivating cosmic entities that defy the very laws of physics. Black holes have been a source of fascination for scientists and the general public alike for many years. In this video, we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of these enigmatic cosmic giants and explore the mind-bending phenomena that occur within their grasp. Black hole basics. To comprehend the workings of black holes, we must start at the beginning. Black holes are born from the remnants of massive stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel. These stars collapse under their gravity in a cataclysmic explosion known as a supernova. It is within this collapsing star's core that the foundation for a black hole is laid. As the star shrinks and implodes, it gives rise to an area of unfathomable gravitational force that is the hallmark of a black hole. Event horizon. Deep within a black hole lies a boundary shrouded in mystery known as the event horizon. It is at this point that the gravitational forces become so overwhelmingly strong that nothing, not even light itself, can escape their clutches. Anything that ventures past this point is forever lost to the black hole's insatiable appetite for matter and energy. The event horizon is a gateway to the unknown, a boundary where our conventional understanding of the universe begins to unravel. Singularity. The heart of a black hole conceals an even more astonishing phenomenon, the singularity. This is a point at which all the mass of the collapsed star is concentrated, creating a gravitational pull so intense that it warps space and time itself. At the singularity, the very fabric of reality breaks down, and the laws of physics, including Einstein's theory of general relativity, cease to function. It is a realm where the concept of infinity is given a new and perplexing meaning. Spaghettification. As one approaches a black hole, another bewildering occurrence comes into play: spaghettification. This is the term for the process in which the gravitational forces of the black hole exert a stretching effect on anything that ventures too close. Imagine a spacecraft or an astronaut nearing a black hole, and as they get closer, they are stretched and distorted into elongated shapes, like strands of spaghetti. It's a mind-boggling and surreal consequence of extreme gravity. Black hole mysteries. While our understanding of black holes has come a long way, these cosmic enigmas continue to challenge our comprehension of the universe. Among the mysteries yet to be solved is the black hole information paradox. It raises the question of what happens to the information of objects that venture past the event horizon into the singularity. The answers to these questions have profound implications for our understanding of the nature of reality itself. Conclusion. In conclusion, black holes are extraordinary cosmic entities that have captivated our imagination and intrigued scientists for generations. Their immense gravitational pull, the enigmatic event horizon, the singularities at their core, and the strange phenomenon of spaghettification make them subjects of both awe and scientific inquiry. As we continue our exploration of the cosmos, we anticipate unveiling more of the secrets concealed within these cosmic marvels. Thank you for joining us at Spectre Tech Solutions on this voyage to the heart of a black hole. If you found this video enlightening, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on the wonders of science and technology. Until the next video, stay curious, and keep exploring the cosmos. And if you haven't already, be sure to watch Quantum Satellite Communication, Securing the Future of Global Connectivity, Part 1. In this series, we delve into the cutting-edge world of quantum communication and its transformative impact on global connectivity. It's an exciting journey, and we're thrilled to have you with us.